This is a video at the Shelton residence. This is the basement furnace, which is a Goodman, and has a 2-ton coil on it that is R22 or 410A. So we could put an air conditioner on this. Got a drop duct with 14 by 25 filter. Goes up to trunk lines. Go both ways. Condensate drain to the floor drain, and the refrigerant lines go up and between the joist, 3/8 and 3/4. Got a 1/2-inch gas line coming in with a side gas cock on it. Switch here, and drop duct up to the return. Vent pipe is a 4-inch, goes up and ties in with the water heater vent and goes up through the roof. So that's it here in the basement.